Hi, this is Kelsey Sweet, and this is my part 2 of our third video questions. So, for our fifth question, we need to draw the graph of a function that is continuous everywhere except at -3. X equals -3. So, for our graph, simply at x equals -3, we're going to have an open circle. And there, it's continuous everywhere else. And that's our answer. So, for our sixth question, we need to find the limit as x goes, as t goes to 0 from above of, in parentheses, 1 over t 3/5 plus 7. So, if we draw the graph for this function, for this equation, it makes this much easier. So for our graph, we have a horizontal asymptote at 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our graph looks a little something like this. So if we're coming to 0, t equal, this is our t-axis and this is y. If we're coming to t to 0 from above, we will have infinity. It goes to infinity. So our answer of the limit as t goes to 0 from above is infinity. And for our seventh question, we need to find the limit as t goes to 0 from below of the same equation, 1 t 3/5 plus 7. So, if we're coming to 0 from below, we get negative infinity. So, our answer is t goes to 0, the limit as t goes to 0 from below is negative infinity. So that was number 6 and 7. And for our eighth question, we need to graph y equals -3 over t minus 3. And we need to give the asymptotes and label the intercepts. So, let's draw a graph. This is x, t, sorry, I don't know why I wrote t. Sorry. X minus 3. So we know that there is a vertical asymptote at -3, or at 3. So at 3, we have our vertical asymptote. Then we need to find our horizontal asymptote, and we know this is 0 because if you let x go to infinity, limit as x goes to infinity, we get of -3 over x minus 3, we get the limit as x goes to infinity, -3 over x over x minus 3 over x let those go to infinity. That zeroes out, that zeroes out. So we get 0, which is our horizontal asymptote. So now we just need to draw this. And so we want to find our y-intercept. So our y-intercept, we're going to let x equal 0. So y equals -3 over 0 minus 3, which is y over -3 over -3, which is 1. So at y right here and then we'll get, so, and there's no x-intercept, so our y-intercept is 0, 1. It can get infinitely close to 0, but x will not intercept. So our horizontal asymptote is 0, vertical asymptote is 3, our y-intercept is 0, 1. And that's the answer.